Hello, Dr. Brogan Riley here again in Lake Hallie, Wisconsin. I'm going to talk to you a little bit about sports screening. And that's a big topic for me. I have my master's in sports science and rehabilitation. And so I've spread out the view here so that I can do a few demonstrations of things that I look for when I'm screening athletes and how I help them improve their game. You can take a look at almost every Olympic athlete. By far the majority of professional athletes in any sport of your choice is under chiropractic care, and there's a reason for that, because it helps to improve their efficiency, it helps to improve their overall game, and the majority of them started that from a very, very young age. So that's one of the things that I'm talking to my patients and their children and any of the athletes in my community about how I can help them improve their athletic performance. So some of the real easy tips to look for are just global movement, and I do what I call a movement efficiency screening analysis. I'll repeat that for you. It's a movement efficiency screening analysis. So I am going to watch how you do certain motions and see how efficiently you can do that. For instance, one of the very, very easy ones, a quarterback, for instance, has to reach back and throw a football. And they have to move, they have to engage their hips, they have to engage their spine, they have to load their pelvis, load the powerful gluteus muscle, load the latissimus dorsi, and they have to launch that football forward. Aaron Rodgers is a professional at doing this. And they are all under chiropractic care because all of those joints have to move together in something that we call movement trains or anatomy trains. And those things all work together. So that's what I want to help you guys realize. There are things that I'm going to watch you do your game, do your performance. I'm going to watch you swim. I'm going to watch you spike that volleyball, bump it. I am going to watch you swing that baseball bat and see how efficiently you can actually swing, how you can golf, how you can do any of these motions, rackets, anything. It's a multi-joint, a multi-segment motion. And so I'm going to watch how well you can load your shoulder blade. Is your spine rotating enough? Does those muscles fire like they should? Does that joint open up as it should? Can you load that and launch how you properly should? I have had golfers improve their drives by 10 yards. I have had swimmers decrease their lap time by seconds. Not tenths of a second, seconds. Which, if you're a swimmer, you know is a very large deal. I've had runners and jumpers and throwers improve their distances. It is amazing what your body can do when it moves the right way. Our body is constantly under stress. Athletes, intensely more. Look at these sports: hockey, rugby, football, basketball, even baseball, softball. Any of these activities are rough sports. Your body is consistently and continuously exposed to physical trauma. Joints are jamming, getting stuck, different things of that nature, and they all need to be moved and make sure that they're moving 100% of the time to be efficient. So I invite you to come into my office during the months of February through April and August through October. I do free movement efficiency screenings. I'll give you global analysis. I'll give you tips on how to improve your health. I do that the first Saturday of every month of those 3 months throughout the spring and those 3 months throughout the fall to help my athletes learn what they can do better. Because I know if I help you to become a better athlete, that you're going to go on beyond high school, beyond college, be a professional, and I can one day say, give me some tickets. I'm just joking with you. But honest to God, this is a very, very important thing for all athletes in the Chippewa Valley, outside of the Chippewa Valley, to understand that your body moves in a global motion. There is not a single sport on earth that uses just one joint and loads just one muscle. It is a global motion, and in order to be efficient, proficient, and as effective as you possibly can be, all of those joints have to move together. All of those muscles have to move together. The spine is an enormous component. If you can name a sport that doesn't use your spine, I will be amazed. But that is how chiropractic, exercising, and movement efficiency patterns can help you. I hope this video was encouraging and opened your eyes to some of the things that you may be missing out on, or if you're looking to improve on, that there is options out there for you to improve. Come on in, see what I can teach you with my Masters in Sports Science.